Para ini mamuklang. Mom. Si mom. Si mom.
I would love to see a more natural and playful style of program, maybe trying a traditional Filipino game with fans for learning a few local phrases. That's what Program says.
Oh, thank you for that.
Yes. Because you will now try a traditional Filipino game. Are you aware of any traditional Filipino games?
Never put it.
So, any guesses what our game is next? Shall we? Where's Blanca, by the way?
Blackstone.
Because we are now going to have you play a traditional Filipino game. This is Jackstone. Yes. Alright. Alright, so since you've never tried it, I'm going to show you how it's done. So you will first get these pieces, throw it. The idea is to pick up the pieces level 1 to level 5, and then you have to bounce the ball. And that gets up here, you have to grab the piece. Starting with 1, the next round, 2. I also haven't done this in a long time. I don't know.
Ini laro sa street.
But let's try it. The bounce is not that high. Just remember that. So you do one piece at a time, and then once you're done with all of it, okay, next you have to do 2 pieces at a time. Okay? Yes, the Korean cookies, right? So up until you have to pick up all 5 at the same time. Okay. So we will give you 3 chances to get all levels correct, 1 to 5, right? And if you're successful, then you get a chance to give Blanca. No, you'll be fine. I think you'll be fine. Yes. Do you want to practice? Okay. Keep the ball. Level 1.